Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? I hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also I am Farjana Akter Moonmoon, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take English literature class of class 4 and our today's topic is question answer. Our lecture number is 19. So let's start. Today we are going to learn our question answer from 6 to 10. Number 6. What lesson did Nelson Mandela learn from the donkey? You know, from the story of Nelson Mandela we have learned many stories and some moral lessons also from his childhood. And Nelson Mandela mentioned our one story which he has learned in his childhood and with a donkey. The answer is Nelson Mandela learned to win without insulting his competitors. He also realized that it was cruel and unfair to treat another person or animal unkindly. You know the story when Nelson Mandela and his friend were trying to ride on a donkey and the donkey was unhappy and the donkey tried to fell him from its back, and when Nelson Mandela got hurt, he learned that it was really unfair to be cruel and with a person or animal like a donkey, and he also learned that to win without insulting his competitors, that means with his friends. So our answer, Nelson Mandela learned to win without insulting his competitors. He also realized that it was cruel and unfair to treat another person or animal unkindly. Then number 7. Why do the brothers want to take the sheep secretly to each other's store? This question is from another story, two brothers. You know, there were two brothers and they wanted to help each other, but they didn't tell each other about the help. So they did this secretly because the brothers want to take the sheep secretly to each other's store because they think that the other will not accept the help if offered. So the two brothers are very kind and they thought that if one told to other about the help, they will not accept it. That's why they did this secretly. So our answer is the brothers want to take the sheep secretly to each other's store because they think that the other will not accept the help if offered. Then number 8, why was Abdullah confused when he looked at the sheaves of corn in his barn? From the story we have seen when Abdullah was helping his brother secretly, then on the other hand his younger brother also wanted to help Abdullah secretly. So during the night Abdullah secretly kept some sheep on the barn of his younger brother, then his younger brother also did the same thing. That's why their barn of sheep looked same. So our answer is Abdullah was confused when he looked at the sheep in his barn because the number of sheep was the same as before. We know the reason why they were same. Number 9. What sound do the hornbills make as they fly through the air? Why do they have make sound? You know, this question is from another story, Hornbills, and from the story we know the reason why hornbills make sound like aeroplane. So our answer is hornbills make whooshing sound as they fly through the air. It looks like aeroplane sound because they do not have a lining of feathers under their wings. What is the reason of this whooshing sound, they do not have a lining of feathers like other birds under their wings. That's why they are making whooshing sounds when they fly. Then number 10, why are hornbills becoming an endangered species? This is very important question. The answer is hornbills are becoming endangered because of cutting down trees, being killed and trapped to be kept as pets. So you know, most of our birds, rare birds, are becoming endangered because of cutting down trees. People are cutting down trees rapidly and being killed, and sometimes we killed hornbills or like other birds and trapped to be kept as pets, and sometimes we catch the birds to kept as pets. So they are the reasons why hornbills an endangered species. So our answer is hornbills are becoming endangered because of cutting down trees, being killed and trapped to be kept as pets. So these are our today's questions and answers. I hope you have understood and you will learn these answers. So that's all for today. Keep learning at home. This is all for today. Allah Hafiz.